guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys how I remove my polygel nails. I will advise you this is not the right way to do it, definitely not the right way to do it, but this is just how I do it because I am very impatient. So basically my nails were too thick to cut down with a regular nail clipper. I know, that's a problem. I need to start working on my nail thickness. But anyway, to get around that, I just take my drill with a sanding band on it, a coarse sanding band, and just make a divot in the middle of my nail so that I could fit the nail clipper in there to cut it all off. And I just go back and forth in the middle of my nail, and then I take my nail clippers and just clip as far as I can in there. But that's how thick my nails are. See, it's not good, it's a problem. My nails shouldn't be that thick, I know. Next, I'm just filing off a little bit of that length right there. And I move on to my next nails and just continue making that divot so I can get the nail clippers in there and cut it off. I decided to record this video because I don't really know why. Maybe you wonder about how to remove polygel, but to be honest, this is not a good way to do it because you'll see me like picking the nails off, and that's not what we should be doing. And now I'm just taking that file and filing over my entire nail and trying to make it as thin as I can because we're going to soak it off in acetone. And the thinner your nail is, the easier it'll come off. Now I'm taking my 100% acetone. This will only work with 100% acetone. And I'm just putting my nails in there. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and this is what my nails look like. They don't look any different than before, but in reality, underneath the nail, it's really lifted up because the acetone kind of melted all the glue and stuff under there. So yeah, so I'm just picking up what I can pick up, but you shouldn't really do this. You should definitely wait longer, but some of my nails actually just popped off like my thumb. Ew, and that's what my nails look like after I take them off. I advise you to definitely let them soak longer and actually like scrape off the acrylic, not pop them off like I did. I'm just taking my file and going over the nail and taking off any of that extra like base gel that was left on there, and I'm pushing back the cuticles to make them look a little nicer. And now I'm just adding some cuticle oil to finish it off and rejuvenate my dry, crusty nails. I'm just rubbing that in. And that's what my nails look like. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.